Hey guys, Kirk here from Treehouse 51, and in this video we're going to be answering a question that came our way in another video we did where the person wasn't really sure where to find the different page setups via WooCommerce. So, step number 1, log into the backend of your website. Step number 2, go to down here where it says WooCommerce and select Settings. And finally, step number 3, go all the way to the right side where it says Advanced, and here on the page setup you'll see the cart page, checkout page, my account page, and terms and conditions. If you have the page already built, you can actually select it here from the drop-down option. And that's it. Let me know what you guys think of this video. If you have any other questions, please make sure to leave them in the comments below. We do read them, and we'll try to get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks.